To use Bybit in Malaysia, you need to understand the basics of cryptocurrency trading and the platform itself. Bybit is a popular cryptocurrency derivatives exchange that offers a wide range of trading options. First, you need to create an account on the Bybit website. Go to the Bybit website and click on the Sign Up button. You will be asked to provide some basic information such as your email address and password. Once you have filled in the required information, you will receive a verification email to confirm your account. After verifying your account, you need to set up two-factor authentication to secure your account. This can be done using a mobile app such as Google Authenticator. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your account, making it more difficult for hackers to gain access. Next, you need to deposit funds into your account. Bybit supports a variety of deposit methods, including bank transfer and cryptocurrency. To deposit funds using a bank transfer, go to the deposit section and select the currency you want to deposit. Follow the instructions to complete the deposit process. Once you have deposited funds into your account, you can start trading. Bybit offers a variety of trading options, including spot trading, futures trading, and options trading. To place a trade, go to the trading section and select the type of trade you want to place. Enter the amount you want to trade and the price at which you want to buy or sell. It is also important to understand the concept of leverage and margin when trading on Bybit. Leverage allows you to trade with more funds than you have in your account, while margin is the amount of funds required to open a trade. Be careful when using leverage, as it can amplify your losses as well as your gains. In addition to trading, Bybit also offers a variety of other features, including a demo account and a trading academy. The demo account allows you to practice trading with virtual funds, while the trading academy provides educational resources to help you improve your trading skills. To comply with Malaysian regulations, Bybit requires users to complete a Know Your Customer verification process. This involves providing identification documents and proof of address. Once you have completed the verification process, you will be able to access all the features on the platform. Overall, using Bybit in Malaysia requires a good understanding of the platform and the risks involved in cryptocurrency trading. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can start trading on Bybit and take advantage of the opportunities offered by the cryptocurrency market. Always remember to trade responsibly and within your means.